It's a long ball for Welshpool, which Haverfordwest have got to deal with. That's a poor header from Evans. Chance for Rogers. Oh, great finish, and what a start for Welshpool. Well, it was Shannon's pass into the path of Rogers, and an excellent finish, only 4 minutes into this game. And Welshpool certainly having the better of these early exchanges. Stevens' cross out to Hughes. Rogers again. Well, it was almost his second. Denied by Idzi. But what a chance that was for Steve Rogers once again. Neil Thomas. Here's Craig George for the home side. It was a decent effort from Craig George. This time Welshpool on the back foot. Oh, it's a poor pass from Stevens. Here's Neil Thomas. Good save, and probably the best chance so far for Haverfordwest. The danger isn't over. And the follow-up shot from Woodrow didn't test the goalkeeper enough. Peter Thomas battling for the home side, and he wins possession for his team. Here's Thomas. Out to George. Good effort, good save. Woodrow with a follow-up and another good save. Haverfordwest started to get back into this now. George's effort and Woodrow's follow-up. So close for the home team. Another poor pass from Haverfordwest, and Rogers with a useful first touch there. It's Rogers, and that is a lovely, lovely finish. He doubles Welshpool's lead and gets a second for himself. It was a lofted pass from Stevens into the path of Rogers, and how about that for a cool finish? Free kick played in for Haverfordwest. Elliott with a chance, and that was a golden opportunity. He shows his frustrations there. Here's Terry Evans for Haverfordwest. It's a hopeful ball, and once again the home side have lost possession, and Welshpool could be looking for their third here. Here's Rogers. He's already got two this evening, and it's Richard Harris's shot. Good save. Won't be a third, but surely Welshpool are through.
We were down to the bones this evening with injuries and suspension, so it was, you know, the young lads done really well when they came on as well. So I'm really pleased, you know, and to be in the next round now and hopefully get a big club.